Hello everyone, in this video we will review Jobescape. Jobescape is a website that claims to help people quit their 9-to-5 jobs by teaching them how to earn money online. It promises to show you easy ways to make income from home, often through affiliate marketing or online business systems. At first glance, the site looks professional and it shares success stories from users who say they've made money using its system. It often uses strong emotional messages like break free from the rat race, which can catch attention. But when you dig deeper, there are a few red flags. Jobescape usually leads you a sales funnel that promotes other programs or paid courses. This can cost a lot, and some of them may not offer the value they promise. The reviews on the official site are mostly positive, but outside reviews are mixed. Some people say they didn't get what they expected or felt pressured to buy more expensive packages after signing up. Also, there's no clear information about who owns or runs Jobescape, which makes it harder to trust. Real companies usually share details about their team or founders. In short, Jobescape is not a clear scam, but it does feel more like a marketing system than a proven step-by-step training program. You might find some helpful information, but you should be carefully, especially before spending money. If you're looking for a real way to earn online, it's better to research trusted platforms and read honest reviews first. So while Jobescape may not be completely fake, it's not fully reliable either. Use caution. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.